Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my girl Dorrie's in my chair. My client, long-time client, very loyal. We always do white blonde on her, but the last 2 sessions, she comes every 4 months. Every 2 months, she does do a cut and a toner, root shadow, and a full over global toner. And every 4 months, we redo a full highlight. She's actually going to be here in 2 weeks. So we are going for a different look the last session, and it grew out beautifully, as you can see. She did have some damage. She travels a lot around different countries, different water. It takes a toll on her hair. She does keep her hair as healthy as possible. We do prevent overlapping as much as possible. Sometimes you just have to. Today we really focus on just maintenancing. So I'm just going to show you a full highlight and keep it as healthy as possible, and also to give a nice golden blonde for fall, even though we're now entering spring. So another huge trick I like to do, I've said this in multiple videos in the past, is Olaplex number 2 or Fiber Fix by Fanola. I apply it on the ends of the hair that I don't want the bleach to accidentally overlap. Sometimes Lightener swells. Now, at this current moment in time, March 22nd, 2023, I do use Joico Blonde Life again. I love Schwarzkopf. I always try different things, but I always end up back with it. It's so strong, but gentle, amazing. But sometimes it just swells unexpectedly. Like, that's a big problem with it. So here I am using Schwarzkopf with 20 volume, but I do have a bowl of Olaplex number 2. If you have to charge a little bit more for doing this for a client, because it is a little pricey with Olaplex, my golly, do it. But make sure you do it. I usually will do it around the hairline for my white blondes, but when some clients are a little fragile or I'm a little bit more worried or want to be a little bit more safer, I will do it all around the head.
People are nice, but it's only for the tips. The weather's fine, but it's nothing I would miss.
The reason we did take her from that white blonde to a more level 9 golden blonde is because it's a lot easier to maintenance, and you don't have to feather down or do a bleach wash or 7 volume on the dropouts every now and then to keep it really white, because eventually when the hair gets healthy, it does get a little bit more brassy. Those underlying pigments find themselves back together again and start bonding together. So no matter what, blonde hair will always get brassy again. I tell every client this, and this is the number one thing I hear from people when they come see me. Oh, you get people to their goal and da-da-da. The last stylist, it always gets yellow. That's hair. It's always going to get yellow. It's really hard to keep up because you have to, with white blonde, eventually do a bleach wash or overlap a little bit. So this is a lot safer, healthier, and this is the route we're going right now.
My only friends are the ones I left behind. Wish I could see them just for a moment, 'cause I don't know anybody here. It's awfully lonely. I smile, but they just stare, and I see misery everywhere. It's getting to me.
One thing I want to quickly mention is you guys got to keep in mind your tools are so important. Your color brush should be very, very small. I love the Goldwell small one. I also love this Color Track small one. That will prevent the product from going down too far. Even shorter color brushes are good, but I love the small gold one when I'm doing just roots and I'm trying to just keep it on the root area.
I cry, but they don't care. Oh, I'm getting lost in the commotion, and the sound is way too loud. 'Cause I'm not the city girl I thought I was. This town is bigger than the ocean, yet too small to fit the crowd. 'Cause I'm not the city girl I thought I was. No, I'm not a city girl. No. Oh, smile, but they just stare.
Alright guys, she likes to blow dry her own hair. It came out so beautiful. Let me know down below what you think. I hope you learned something in this quick tutorial here today. Leave video ideas down below yonder in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe, show love. Let me know constructive criticism, whatever you want to do. I love you guys so much, and I am almost up to date with videos, so let me know what videos you want to see that are new and up to date. Love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one as always. So long for now, guys. Mwah!